I dropped my list, Ryan. Can you hold my list for me? Thank you. Don't tear it up. Okay. Hi guys. Okay, how am I gonna start this? Number one, I'm very sleepy. Last night my son twisted his ankle or something. I had to take him to the emergency room. One of my twin babies decided that I was not leaving her, so she came with me and she played around like it was 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but it was 2 o'clock at night. Then I had like a lot going on today. This day is actually split up in 2 different videos because that's just how I'm doing it. Just because everything that was done today is just, it doesn't coincide with what I'm doing, if that makes any sense. I don't know. I'm rambling. So right now I am in front of BJ's, and I'm in front of BJ's because I'm going to pick up some food to do meal prep for my keto eating. Number one, I hate diets. I don't like them. A diet is a way of life. I feel like when you pick a way of eating, like I feel like you should pick something that you can do forever. I don't feel like you should have anything that's gonna make you say like I can't eat this or blah 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 blah. But sorry. Anyway, but with me saying that, I will honestly say that with me eating this keto lifestyle, my energy level is great, my mood is better, everything is better. I've talked about this in previous videos. I'll link them in the description box or put them in the little thingies up in here. But I just feel a lot better. So what I'm doing today, I have 2 sleep babies back there, of course, and I'm going to go into BJ's and I'm going to do my meal planning haul for the week. I'm at BJ's, so this stuff actually some of the stuff will roll over to the next week, which is why I like coming to BJ's. And I'm so proud of myself because guess what I did? I wrote a list. Yes, I did. You can't see it, but on my little cute little adulting pad, 2 of those. But anyway, yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing right now. Sorry, I look really tired and my energy is really low, and I know you guys are like, can you just please get to your little haul, pick up whatever the heck this is so we can click off your daggone video. So what I would like to say is thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, please let me know by commenting down below. Subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. And yeah, I do that now because history has told me that I do not end these videos correctly. Okay, so I'm gonna head into BJ's right now. I'm gonna pick up my list of things. I'm also probably gonna pick up some things for my kids, my family. What I do, oh, got a frog in my throat or something. What I do with my food that I buy is not a lot. That's one reason why I do like this way of eating, because it's not like I have to buy like a whole bunch of totally different things my family can eat. My family can eat anything on this list. But the thing that I will be incorporating in with my family are my dinners. I feel like it's just really proactive to make a separate dinner. I will be prepping some of this thing. I am probably going to do a video on that. Don't hold me to it. So if you don't see it, then I'm sorry. But I probably am. And yeah, because I really wanted to show you how I prep some of the items and use some of my Dollar Tree storage containers from my previous video haul. And I want to say one more thing. That last thing is that I was doing intermittent fasting, but what I've talked to my friend, and it was like she was talking about how she doesn't do intermittent fasting until she's back in ketosis, and I was like, oh my gosh, light bulb went off in my head. That is why I don't do, I have been like craving certain things, is because I'm not in ketosis, and me waiting until 1 and 2 o'clock in the afternoon makes me all ravenous hungry, hashtag no pun intended, but it's making me really hungry. So what I have to do is go back to like eating in the morning. So what I'm going to be doing my first meal of the day, what I'm going to be doing on most days is starting my day off with bulletproof coffee, and we're going to go from there. So I started this morning off. So today I am on track. I had bulletproof coffee, and then I went home and had my ground beef mixture with my guacamole, which is like a go-to. I love it. It is so good. I'm picking up more stuff to make that again. So without further ado, let's get these babies out and head into the store. Okay, I'm in the store, and it's Saturday, and I usually come here during the weekday, and it's a lot of people here. So yeah, we'll see how this goes, because I get real funny. And plus, I'm like pushing a stroller, of course, and I'm pulling a cart, so I don't even know what the heck I was thinking. But I'm gonna do this, and we're gonna get through this. We are. So I'm picking up bread. Bread, of course, is not keto friendly, but my children have to eat too, so I'm gonna pick up 2 of these. But we're not here for that type of video. So anyway, be right back. Okay, number 1 is coconut oil, and I use this for my coffee that I told you about in the car, the bulletproof coffee. So here it is, $8.99. Let's turn you around. $8.99 for this big old thing, and I also can use it for cooking and stir fries and things like that. So, and it will last me a very long time. Not on my list, but I'm going to be picking up some Red Hot. Last time I came, I got the wing sauce, but I'm going to get this for just a more simpler taste. Things on my list, but I want to go see how much the fresh wings are. These are $23.99, which adds up to them being $2.40 a pound. So I want to see how much the fresh ones are. I bought these last time, and I actually shared them. I didn't eat them all by myself. So I'm going to compare prices with that, and I might come back and pick these up instead. Let's keep going. I'm going to pick up some sofrito. It's not on my list, but I do need it for my ground beef mixture. I always mix this up in there. Hi, Bubba's. Hi, Bubba's.
Oh my goodness, you've got your hands full.
Yes. Yeah, I know that. Yeah. I know that. Really?
2 more minutes.
Really? I'm so hungry. You're not supposed to come shopping when you're hungry. Yes, you're not supposed to.
Thank you.
And in here they have all the little, what are they called? Samples. Okay. Is the romaine salad. I bought 2 last time. I'm just gonna get 1. I'll wind up sharing with them, but I use this for my salad with the ground meat. I prefer this one over this one, just a personal choice, and I'm looking for the price. I don't see it. I think they cost about the same thing. Floor. You do it on the floor, Ryan. It's not nice. Okay, so like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to do my haul from my trunk of my car and put my stuff away, because I don't know what's going to happen when I get home. And there's some stuff in this cart that is not keto friendly. Don't look at it, because it could take you out of ketosis. This stuff I needed for the rest of my family though. So here we go. I will show you what I got and what I'm planning on making. This, like I said, this stuff probably should last me for the next 2 weeks, even more. Some like the meat. I got a lot, but I got what's on my list, and I got whatever. You'll see. Stop talking. I showed you this inside. Oh my gosh, I forgot to, hold on, wait a minute. Me walking to the store was cut short because I dropped my camera, and because I was pushing a cart pulling the babies, and my camera fell. So I was like, I'm gonna put this camera away before it breaks, and we'll just finish outside. So alright, back to what I'm saying. Let's hurry up. So like you saw inside, I got the lettuce for the salad. Well, these are not for me, but it's lunch meat, but it is actually keto friendly. Got 2 of those for my boys and the kids for sandwiches. These were not on my list, but I did have cauliflower on my list, and this is white cheddar rice cauliflower. There's 3 bags of them, and the carb count is at 6 grams. The fiber is at 2. So to get your net carbs, you subtract 2 from 6, and you get 4 net carbs, which is not bad at all. Does have some dairy in it, but it's okay, and it'll save me some time. And then I got another one of those because why not? It's two different ones. This one doesn't have any dairy in it. Like I said, I got it before saving time. And I couldn't find any other cauliflower. So, alright. And then I got my Brussels sprouts. I want to make a meal prep video. I keep saying that, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to make it. I found this coconut red curry chicken. It looks so good. Do not go shopping when you're hungry. I mean, that's like, you know, shopping 101. But the carbohydrate count for that is 10. The sugars is 7. So this might be going to my kids. I don't know, but it looks so good. And I love curry. Like I said, that can take you out of ketosis, so don't look at it. Okay, and then I got my chunky blue cheese. I thought I got ranch because I already have one of these in the fridge, but oh well. See, that's what I get. I got these spicy buffalo style wings. This is something that I can eat and also my family can eat. That's like more of a treat. I got bacon. This comes with 3 pounds, 3 packs. I already have one in my refrigerator. I'm going to be using this for my egg salad that I'm making and also for some breakfast. And I'll make them and just put them away. Okay, this I found, it is the Fit and Easy fresh chicken thighs. They're boneless, skinless, and I like it because they're already separated. I never can find these. I always found the chicken breast, which you don't eat when you're on keto because you need higher fat, and I love that because thighs are my favorite. So this is actually, I'm very happy that I found this. You saw these, don't look at them. This I got the ground meat. This is almost 5 pounds of meat that I'm going to separate, probably half and half. Some will go to me, some will go for family meals. The sofrito, which you saw me get in the actual store. The guacamole, which you saw me get in the actual store. I actually saw another brand, but I'm going to stick to this. That gets mixed with my stuff, but I'll show you that later. And then I also found some avocados that were already made, and my babies eat these also. So they will help me eat them. Don't look at that. Eggs, which you saw me get. The salsa, which I'm really excited about. I still don't know what I'm doing with it. My husband will definitely probably help me eat it. But yeah, I got mild, but I'm not like a real spicy person. I wound up getting the fresh chicken wings because they were cheaper, and I think we're gonna throw some on the grill actually too, so this was a better deal. And I love BJS because they separate them in all these sections. So yeah, I wound up getting these instead of the frozen ones. Frozen will be more convenient honestly, but the packs are already separated. So, and of course you saw me get the red hot, more so for my family because like I just said, I'm not a spice person. And the bread, which will take you straight out of ketosis, so do not want. And eggs. And that was my BJ's haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. Like I said, stay tuned to my channel because I think I'm going to be doing a meal prep video to show you how I prepare this stuff and get it ready. Yeah, that's going to be it. Thank you so much for watching from the back of my car, my little haul video of all my keto-friendly foods to make. And like I said, this stuff lasts for about 2 weeks. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Have a great week. And see you next time on the next video. Bye!